Hi, my name is Hartej Sawhney. I'm the co-founder of Hosho. We are a cybersecurity blockchain company based in Las Vegas. We started this company about a year ago with 3 people, and we are now at 40 people. We focus on auditing smart contracts, doing penetration testing. We've been profitable since day one, so we never did an ICO and we never did a fundraise. And we've been growing the company to now 40 people. And the next stage for us is, now that we are the dominant player in cybersecurity in the blockchain space in North America and Europe, and we have the #1 spot, now we're focused more on Asia. So the next step for us is to open up an office in Asia. We're deciding between Hong Kong and Singapore, and really trying to focus on the Asian market over the next 6 to 8 months. So the Asian markets are significantly different, and I would say far ahead of the rest of the markets, whether it's North America or Europe. Right now, we have to look at it in regards to where checks are being cut for, let's say, an ICO. So ICOs that are fundraising at a faster rate in Asia than they are anywhere else. There's more token sales being conducted in Asia, with more exchanges going live in Asia. Overall, the action is just happening at a faster rate in Asia. We expect to rapidly grow our business. So, I mean, between Singapore, Hong Kong, China, Korea, Japan, the Tiger Nations, there's a significant amount of deal flow, there's a significant amount of tech talent, so we're just excited to show a strong presence. And so there's a lot of business to be had, but the Asian market is unique. You have to show a local presence, you have to locally actually physically be present. And seeing as we're a Las Vegas-based American company, it requires the opening of a second office, so it's basically cloning our entire operation right now to move on to Asia from North America. What's significant is for people to actually develop technology, which that's not actually happening as fast as we need it to. More people are focused on fundraising without actual technology built. So what needs to happen is we need more technology to be built by more qualified engineers, and more qualified engineers and cybersecurity experts to develop the skill sets to build within this industry. Because within this industry, when a smart contract is written, there is actually money behind it. So for a hacker out there, this is very low-hanging fruit because there's money behind a smart contract. So it's easy for them to hack into projects that have security vulnerabilities. People in the industry are not valuing security, and there's a global shortage of qualified engineers. So if anything needs to happen, we need education for engineers. Yeah, just more education of engineers and more education for why security should be valued at a very early stage for a company. To not focus on price and prepare for crypto winter, and to go back to the roots of what this all comes from, which is Bitcoin and Satoshi Nakamoto's belief and vision for decentralization. This is just the beginning of crypto winter, and overall, you know, if I were to make it analogous to the internet stage, I would say that in the blockchain industry, in crypto, we don't have Netscape yet. And so what I mean by that is that in the internet, when Netscape came out, it became easier to explain to somebody like your mother what the internet is, because you now have a browser. And after some time, you had a browser where you can easily type in www.something.com. And at that time, the internet industry was a multi-trillion-dollar industry. We haven't even approached a $1 trillion industry in crypto. It's still in its infancy.